right, guys, welcome again. Let's begin. Volume, right? He said find the volume of these rectangular prism. They are not drawn to scale. So it means that if it look like 2, it doesn't necessarily mean it's 2. It's not the actual measurement. Alright? So all we have to do, work with the measurement that are given. Doesn't mean that it's 2 if it look like 2, or it's half if it look like a half. Alright, go ahead, Ian. You're supposed to find the volume of this one. So let us put number 1 here.
Okay, sir. As you said, you're going to multiply all those three numbers. So you're going to say 2 times 2 times 2. That equal to 8
Very good.
centimeters cube.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. So as he said, guys, it will be 8 centimeters cube. Who for number 2?
Was Kira number 2.
Alright, go ahead.
So, sir, first, as you can see, there's 2 centimeters, like 2 of them. 2 times 2 is 4. And 6 centimeters, mostly 4 centimeters square, and then 6 centimeters times 4 centimeters square gives you 24 centimeters cube.
Alright. So guys, that's correct. 6 times 2 is 12, and 2 times 12. And I love that you guys get the unit spot on. It's supposed to be cube, right? As it's the number of cubes that it occupies, or the space that it occupies. Alright, who is for number 3?
Me, sir.
Alright, go ahead, Kareem.
So first, sir, you multiply the 8 times the 1 equals to 8. Then you multiply the 8 times 2 equal to 16 centimeters square.
Would it be square though?
No, sir.
What's the correct unit? Somebody help me, please. What's the correct unit, guys? When you're doing
Cube,
volume.
sir. Cube. You put 3 for cube.
Yeah. So square is when we're doing area. However, this is volume. So it's the area for the base, which is this. It has a rectangle base, 2 by 1, and then we times it by 8. Same thing with this. The base is 6 by 2, so you get 12. Even though you guys kind of multiplied it differently, but yeah, it's the same answer. All right, so it would be 16. 2 times 1, 2, and 2 times 8 would give us the 16. But it should be cube, all right? We don't want to make mistake and say area.
Sir,
right,
I noticed that I made a mistake. I didn't put like cube on the third one, so I send it back to you for my correction.
Okay, very good. And that's good when you can find a little error, guys, without the teacher have to identify it and say, oh, you got this one incorrect. Yeah, man, welcome, guys, welcome. Persons are a bit late, so we have completed number 1, 2, and 3. So we are at number 4. Well, on, guys, let me just leave it as 4 and 5. So we have basically 6 to go. All right, so who's for number 4? No one wants to take on number 4? Somebody that haven't gone as yet. Let me look at the register. Let me look at the register. Let me volunteer somebody that their mic work. What about Jenna Forbes? You want to do this one, Jenna?
Okay, sir.
All right. Can I make it bigger to you? Yeah, it's bigger. All right, when you're ready, yeah?
So you would multiply 7 centimeters times 2, which is 14 centimeters squares. Then you multiply 14 centimeters squares by 2, which would give you sorry,
Yeah, man, it's
which
fine.
would give you 28 centimeters square
Very
cube.
good. Very good. So it will be 28 centimeters cube. So guys, we don't mix up the unit. It's very important. Since it's three-dimensional, then we must have the correct unit. Very good, very good.
May I do number 5 or
Yeah,
6?
man, you can. That sounds like Kayla Evans. You can.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. So when you're ready. Good job, Jenna.
Okay, sir, can I do it now?
Yeah, man, you can go ahead. You can go ahead.
Okay, so the first thing we would do, my way of doing it, is multiply 3 by 3, and that equals 9. Then I multiply 9 by another 3. Then I get 27 centimeters cube.
Very good.
Okay.
All right. This one is a cube. So all the sides are the same. So it will be 27. We did this one in class already also. So it will be 27 centimeters. Very good. All right, we don't have anybody for number 6. So can somebody
Sir,
funny?
sir, can you explain this, sir? I wasn't on class on Sunday.
Okay, all right. So like Armani.
I did class keep on Sunday, sir.
Yeah, class keep on Sunday. You didn't know?
No, sir.
What?
Sir, my light was gone, sir.
Oh, yeah, man. Because you're usually there. All right, so what we're doing, let me just go back up. Students have done all of these, right? So let me just go back up just to explain something. So what it is, we're looking at volume of three-dimensional. All right, guys, where you guys are doing so excellent on this, I just realized that we actually just started it, you know, just start volume. All right. So what it is, it's three dimension. So this is one we call a cube. Why is it a cube? It has all sides equal, so it's made up of squares. So what we do, we find the area for the base and we times it by the height. Now, since all the measurements are the same, we can simply say this side, the base would be what it's sitting on, this right here. So this would be 2 multiplied by 2, which is this 2 right here and this 2 right here. So when it gives you the 4 now, 4 centimeters square for the area for the square that's on the base, but we have to times it by the height to get the value. So we times it by 2, which gives us 8 centimeters. But this one now, you understand so far?
Sir,
No,
what does the 3
sir,
mean, sir?
sir, can I say
The
something?
3 means 3-dimensional. So
Sir,
yeah,
can I say
so it's
something?
cube. Yeah, man, you can.
So, sir, since everything is like 2 centimeters, you can also do it like 2, 3.
Yeah, 2 to the third power. Very good. So it's the same as 2 to the third power, which means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. You'd have gotten the 8 centimeter cube just the same. So Kareem, this 3 represent cube because it's 3-dimensional. Area is 2-dimensional. So that's why we have 2. But with cube and cuboid, those are 3-dimensional. Geometric solids, right? They are solids, so it's 3-dimensional because they have a length, a width, and a height. The only difference is that the cube have all sides equal. Alright? And as we said, what is the cube made up of?
Squares.
squares. Very good. All right. What about this one? What is this one called? For number 2.
A cuboid.
A cuboid. Very good.
Cuboid.
Yeah, very
Or
good.
rectangular prism.
So this one is made up of, what made up this one? The cuboid.
Like kind of rectangles and squares at the same time.
Yeah, in this
So that's
rectangles.
yeah.
rectangles and squares
It
because
can be
the other
rectangle and
side is
square.
squares and
Because if you notice, this is a 2x2 square on the side, right? Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
And the other side is a
But
rectangle.
in terms of the length and the width, those will always be different. Because if they are the same, it would be a cube. So the height and the width or the length can be the same. However, the length and the width cannot be the same. If it is the same, then it's not a cuboid. It would be a cube if they are equal. All right, very good. So what we do, let me just rub out this back because somebody said there wasn't a class. I'm just trying to make everybody comfortable. You know Mr. Benny style already, guys. We want the entire class to get it. So let me just go through this one. So what it is, we find the area of the rectangle that it is sitting on. And we can draw the rectangle, you know, guys, and we can see that. What will be the length of this one?
Is that answer 24 centimeters?
It is. But what would be the length? I want you to visualize it. Just consider the base is what it's sitting on. So this is sitting on a rectangle. What would be the measurement of the rectangle that is sitting on?
24 centimeters.
Yeah, but what about the length? What is the length of the base?
4.
Anyone? What's the length?
I think, sir, someone's telling you.
96 centimeters.
Yeah, it would be 6. See it right here? This is the length, you know. What's the width?
2 centimeters.
Very good. So guys, if we should find the area of this particular rectangle, which is the base, what would be the area for it?
Sir.
12. Because you multiply, remember?
Because 12, 6 times 2 is equal to 12,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. So this would be 12 centimeters square. But we're not finished. We have to multiply it by what? To get the volume.
2 centimeters.
Yes, which is the height. Very good. So that is how we got the 24. Remember, you know, kids did this, students did this one already, but I'm just going over so Imani can get the full understanding. Hope it clear now, Imani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So we can go back down now to number 6. Imani, I think you want to take on this one? Since there's no one had volunteer, and you want to see if you fully understand. Can we volunteer for this one?
Sure, sir.
All right.
Can I do the next one, sir?
Centimeters times 3 centimeters is 9 centimeters. So 9 centimeters times 5 centimeters, that would be 45 centimeters.
What's the unit? Help her, guys. She wasn't that class.
Cube.
Centimeter cube.
And if you don't know the what it's called, just say the number. That's what Mr. Lennox
Yeah,
said.
you could say to the third. Yeah, very good. That was good though, Imani. So you just did your first one. So it's 3 by 3, which is 9, and then 9 times 5, which is 45 centimeter cube. So guys, remember, it's 3-dimensional, so that is why you have the cube there. If it's area is 2-dimensional, that's why we have the 2. For perimeter, it's 1-dimensional, just length. That's why we have 1. All right. So who had volunteer for the number 7? So guys, we only have 3 more. Oh my.
Me, sir.
All right.
Yes,
Give me
sir.
1 second. So I'm gonna make you begin shortly. Just give me a second. All right. So you can go ahead now with the explanation. All right.
Sir, so you say 4 times 3 equals 12. Then you say the 12 times the 5 equal to 60 centimeter cube,
So
sir.
it's 5 times 3 times 4. So guys, you see what's happening, right? It's basically the length times the width times the height. And that's the general formula to find the volume. Alright? Find the area for the base. The base is what it sits on. So this would be 3 by 5. That's 15. And as he said, 4 times 15 would give us 60 centimeter cube. Alright, somebody text in the chat. Let's let me read before I begin. And then I can see what the person is saying. Okay, that's Kayla Evans and Jimenez. Yeah, Tijan, correct. You're both correct. Kayla also. Alright. What about someone who have not gone as yet?
Sir, can I do
Please,
it?
sir.
Yeah, man, you can.
You can go.
Alright, so you're gonna do number 8. That's Garrick. You want to do it, Garrick? Who has volunteer?
Sir, can I have the other one, please?
Alright, Laka, you will do number 9. That will be the last one. I heard a female volunteer for this one. I didn't catch your voice. Who was it?
Yes, sir. Wait some, sir.
Okay, alright, go ahead.
First, you would multiply 2 times 2, which would give you 4 centimeters square, times 10, which give you 40 centimeters cube.
Very good. Awesome. Every day I say it, guys. You guys are so awesome. So you find the area for the base. And I love that you get the unit correct.
Yes.
To think we just started this topic, guys. You make it look easy. Good job. Very good. Alright, so Lakoy, your one will be number 9.
So is there any more, sir?
Well, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna stop the video for a while, and then I bring up another one. And for the remaining 40 minutes, we're just gonna keep each person just keep doing it. All right.
Okay, sir.
I think we can post this video, guys, on YouTube if you guys want. Like I said, he's long to hear himself on YouTube, so we could post this one.
Yes,
But sir, I've never heard myself on
yes,
YouTube.
sir.
Yeah.
So when you post it, make sure to put me
I
the hashtag.
have. What looks like it's gonna be the first time and you're gonna be a YouTube star.
Let's see.
Alright.
Dante Carly. Yes, Dante Carly. So length times width and
Sir,
the length.
Hold on, guys.
The length.
That car is on the floor, guys. Give him the opportunity, and then we can talk. All right.
Alright, so the length would be 8 and the width would be, the 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times the height, which is 4, is 64 centimeters cubed.
Very good. And welcome back, Lakoy. Welcome back, sir. All right. Very good. So, guys, we're gonna end that video here, but or we can pause it. Let me pause it and see if we can. But we don't want it too long. I'm gonna stop it